Hello, in this video, I will show you how to create an online quiz using the Google form. Using Google form to design a quiz is really helpful for many reasons. For example, it saves teachers time from marking the quiz and consolidating the scores. Second, it saves your computer space because you don't have to save a massive amount of files on your computer. Third, it saves you time from creating new quiz because you can edit and use it as new quiz next time. Lastly, you and the students can access to it at any time and any place. In this video, I will show you 4 easy steps to create the quiz and check the quiz. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign in your Gmail. Open browser and type www.google.com. Sign in with your Gmail address and password. Step 2. Create a quiz. Find Google Doc. Then, select Form. After that, you can use existing template or create a new one. I choose a new one by clicking the blank. Step 3. Create a quiz. Here you type the quiz title. Then, write as many questions as you want. In the answer choice, there are many options. Here I select multiple option. You can use upload pictures from your computer or just search on Google to put in your answer choice like this. Then, don't forget to make it required if you don't want your students to skip the question in your quiz. Then, make the form a quiz by go to setting above and select quizzes. Last but not least, do not forget to set the correct answer and the answer key. Select the right answer, answer response and the points. Your quiz is ready. Here is how your student will answer the quiz. They can see the result immediately by clicking View Response after they submit. Finally, here is how you can check their response. You can also download the response by clicking this green button. That's all. Easy, right? If you find this video helpful, so please click like and subscribe to my channel. See you later.